A few days ago, Apple officially announced the new iPhone 11 Pro and iPhone 11 Pro Max flagship smartphones. The new iPhone 11 Pro series starts at the very humble price of $999. And while, it may come with some improvements over its predecessor, these are 5 ways the new iPhone will disappoint you. Number 1. 5G support. When you are buying a smartphone for about $1,100 including taxes, you expect it to be future-proof. As 5G approaches, we are all eager to get it soon in our new iPhone and watch the 10th season of 11 Reasons in 4K quality using the power of 5G. Well, we can forget about it, because the new iPhone Pro models do not have the latest 5G network support. Even though the 5G network rollout has just started around the world, in the next 12 months or so, you will see more and more network operators offering 5G services. If you buy these new iPhone Pro models now, you will be left out of the 5G gang. 2. Advanced AR features. Apple is working on advanced AR features for iPhones. AR, or augmented reality, is also a feature we can't wait to use. To make the iPhone Pro compatible with these upcoming AR features, Apple has included a U1 chip that uses ultra-wideband technology for spatial awareness. But the next generation iPhone coming next year will have U2 chips with more power enabling even more advanced AR features. Also, Apple today accidentally confirmed that it is working on an AR headset. Unlike the next generation iPhones that will be released along with the AR headset, the current iPhone 11 Pro models may not be fully compatible with all the AR features. 3. Lack of Pro features. Apple's Pro branding for these new iPhones are not justified. Even though the new iPhone 11 Pro series comes with camera and battery life improvements, there is no feature that will make these new iPhones stand out from other flagship smartphones. For example, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 series comes with stylus support. The Huawei P30 Pro comes with 50x zoom support. You can't tell a single unique feature that will make these new iPhones stand out. The Huawei P30 Pro comes with 50 times zoom support. You can't tell a single unique feature that will make these new iPhones stand out. 4. Big notch and outdated design. The new iPhone 11 Pro series comes with a huge notch and feature the same design as its predecessor. This design looks outdated when compared to the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 series, the OnePlus 7 Pro, and several other flagship devices. In another year or so, your phone will look seriously outdated. 5. No USB-C. While the whole industry is moving towards USB-C standard, you are still stuck with Lightning port in the new iPhone 11 Pro series. In the coming months, you will find USB-C chargers and accessories everywhere. You will need to carry a dongle with your iPhone 11 Pro all the time. If you have any other reasons in your mind, please let us know in the comments section below.